Inside washing a dish and I look out my window and I see an arrow in the yard. Yeah, an actual arrow in the yard, right? I have no idea what the backstory is there, but I know who's responsible. It's one or two of my boys, most likely my youngest, who's definitely more on the ADHD side of the world. The point of this video is you got to figure out what is the hill you want to die on as a parent. I'm okay with an arrow in the yard. I'm okay with a little bit of chaos and mess in the house as well. But I'm not okay with disrespectful language. I'm not okay with my kids not doing chores and not cleaning up their rooms when asked. I'm not okay with raising kids who are entitled, right? But I'm okay with an arrow in the yard. And so many of the parents that I coach, they're focusing on 85 different things. They're like losing control because they're not focusing on what they can and cannot control. They're spinning their wheels and they're just getting exhausted. So pick 1, 2, or 3 behaviors and make that your North Star. All right, you can do this. Be well. Peace.